Ralph here once again, and what I did produce here is harmonograph artwork, and it is really pretty. And it's totally random each time I run the code. What I did here is basically I took the base code from these instructors here and supercharged the code. Let's run it through one more time, and this way you get an idea of the randomness of the harmonographs. Really cool, just looping through, producing a different graph for each subplot, colors change, the whole lineup. I'll take this code and I'll basically paste it on YouTube so you can kind of paste it on your own. There's only one angle bracket we have to take into account. But however though, it is really pretty. Should come up here in a second. See? Totally new set of harmonographs. Incredibly, incredibly pretty. Again, Ralph signing off once again. And just cool code. Catch you all in a bit. Bye.